Imagine making an extra $5,000 a month with the help of an AI tool. Sounds too good to be true, right? But in our increasingly digital world, this is not only possible, but it's becoming more common every day. The rise of artificial intelligence has been nothing short of revolutionary, transforming industries and professions across the board. One such sector that has greatly benefited from AI is digital marketing. With the help of AI tools, marketers can streamline their processes, make data-driven decisions, and ultimately increase their revenue. Consider this. The global AI market size is expected to reach a staggering $126 billion by the year 2025. This indicates a clear shift towards AI-powered solutions, and those who adapt quickly are the ones who will reap the rewards. Among these rewards is the potential of earning $5,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right, $5,000 a month. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius or AI expert to achieve this. All you need is the right tool and the knowledge to use it effectively. In the digital marketing sphere, AI can be employed in several ways. From automating repetitive tasks to predicting customer behavior, the possibilities are endless. For instance, you can use AI to optimize your SEO strategy, automate your email marketing campaigns, or even create personalized content for your audience. And while these might seem like complex tasks, with the right AI tool, they can be done with ease. This not only saves you time but also allows you to focus on what really matters: growing your business and increasing your earnings. So, are you ready to unlock your earning potential with AI? Are you ready to make that extra $5,000 a month? If your answer is yes, then you're in the right place. Now let me introduce you to Tugan AI, the tool that can make this a reality. So what exactly is Tugan AI, I hear you ask? It's a question I'm excited to answer. Tugan AI is an innovative tool designed to revolutionize your digital marketing efforts. Using cutting-edge language learning models, or LLM, Tugan AI generates engaging, persuasive marketing content tailored to your needs. Imagine having a tool that's like a personal assistant, but with the accuracy and speed of a supercomputer. That's Tugan AI. It takes your input, whether that's a URL or a few choice keywords, and transforms it into a wealth of marketing materials. Let's dive deeper into what Tugan AI can do. Firstly, it can craft compelling emails. No more agonizing over the right words to use or the right tone to strike. Tugan AI takes care of that, delivering emails that are well-written, persuasive, and guaranteed to grab your audience's attention. Secondly, Tugan AI can produce informative, engaging blog posts. It's like having a team of researchers and writers at your disposal. Tugan AI delivers blog posts that are not only interesting to read, but are sure to drive traffic to your website. Thirdly, Tugan AI can generate social media posts that are share-worthy. It creates content that resonates with your target demographic, encouraging engagement and boosting your online presence. And the best part? You can get started with Tugan AI without spending a dime. A free trial lets you experience firsthand the game-changing potential of this tool. Intriguing, isn't it? Now, let's shift gears and explore how you can leverage Tugan AI to start not one, not two, but 3 businesses from day one. Stay tuned, because we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of digital entrepreneurship with Tugan AI as our guide. So buckle up and let's get started. After all, your path to unlocking a potential $5,000 a month in earnings is just a Tugan AI click away. Ever dreamed of starting your own digital agency? Tugan AI can make that dream come true. With the rise of digital technology, businesses are in need of a strong online presence more than ever. This has led to an increasing demand for digital marketing services, hence the emergence of digital agencies. Today, we will guide you through the process of establishing your own digital agency, leveraging the power of Tugan AI. First, let's understand the digital agency landscape. This involves studying market trends, identifying your target demographics, and pinpointing areas of specialization. For instance, your digital agency might focus on content marketing, social media management, search engine optimization, SEO, or pay-per-click, PPC advertising. The beauty of Tugan AI is that it's perfectly equipped to handle all these areas. To start a digital agency, you need to have a clear business plan. This plan should outline your agency's goals, target audience, services offered, and pricing model. Tugan AI can assist you in crafting a persuasive business plan by generating top-notch content. After you have your business plan, it's time to build a portfolio. This is where Tugan AI shines. The tool can generate a variety of marketing materials, including emails, blog posts, and social media posts. With these, you can demonstrate your agency's capabilities and attract potential clients. Next, you need to promote your agency. This involves reaching out to potential clients, networking, and building a strong online presence. Tugan AI can assist you in this process by generating engaging and persuasive marketing content. Lastly, it's important to keep improving your services. Constantly analyze your results, seek feedback, and adapt your strategies. Tugan AI can support you in this process by providing fresh, quality content regularly. In summary, starting a digital agency involves understanding the market, planning your business, building a portfolio, promoting your agency, and constantly improving your services. With Tugan AI, you're equipped with a powerful tool that can assist you in each of these steps, making your journey to establishing a digital agency seamless and successful. That's how you can use Tugan AI to start a digital agency. Let's move on to the next business. Content is king, and Tugan AI is your crown. Let's dive right into it, shall we? Today we're discussing how to launch a content creation service using Tugan AI. The demand for quality content has never been higher. Businesses are constantly seeking fresh and engaging content to attract and retain customers. This is where Tugan AI comes into play. Think about it. There's a world out there hungry for compelling content. Business owners are on the hunt for text that not only informs but also connects with their audience on a deeper level. They need blog posts that resonate, emails that persuade, and social media posts that go viral. That's a lot of content, and creating it is no small feat. This is where you step in. With Tugan AI at your disposal, you can offer a solution to this content conundrum. You can start a business that creates engaging, relevant, and persuasive content for these businesses. And the best part? You don't need to be a seasoned writer or a marketing guru to do it. All you need is Tugan AI. Here's how it works. You input a few keywords or a URL into Tugan AI, and voila, you get a variety of marketing materials tailored to your specific audience and goal. Emails, blog posts, social media updates, you name it, Tugan AI can create it. The content generated is not just relevant and well-researched, but it's also engaging and persuasive, just what your clients need. But why stop at content creation? With Tugan AI, you can also offer content strategy services. Help businesses identify their target audience, understand their content needs, and create a content strategy that aligns with their goals. You can provide a complete content solution, from strategy to creation, all powered by Tugan AI. Starting a content creation service with Tugan AI is not just a business opportunity, it's a chance to make a difference. It's an opportunity to help businesses connect with their customers, to help them tell their story, and to help them succeed. With Tugan AI, starting a content creation service is a breeze. Now, let's explore the third business you can start. In the age of social media, managing it effectively is a must. And guess what? Tugan AI can help. It's a game changer for anyone looking to start a social media management business. With its incredible features, Tugan AI can generate engaging content for a variety of platforms, making your job easier and more productive. Think about it. Social media is an integral part of our daily lives. It's the new word of mouth. It's where people turn for recommendations, reviews, and to stay connected with brands they love. Therefore, businesses cannot afford to ignore it. They need to be present, active, and engaging. And that's where a social media management business comes in. But how can Tugan AI help? Well, it's quite simple. The AI can generate creative content that aligns with a brand's voice and resonates with its target audience. You can input a few keywords or even a URL, and Tugan AI will generate various social media posts tailored to those parameters. Imagine the time and effort you can save while still delivering high-quality content to your clients. Additionally, Tugan AI doesn't just provide content, it provides engaging content. Its sophisticated AI algorithms understand what makes a post shareable and engaging. They analyze trends and user behavior to produce content that not only gets likes, but also drives conversations and shares. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear this. Tugan AI can also help with social media strategy. It can analyze a brand's current social media presence, identify areas for improvement, and provide recommendations on how to optimize the brand's strategy. So, if you're looking to start a social media management business, Tugan AI is your secret weapon. It's like having a team of expert content creators, strategists, and analysts at your fingertips. It's your ticket to delivering top-notch social media management services that will keep your clients coming back for more. Starting a social media management business with Tugan AI is as easy as pie. But how can you get started with Tugan AI? Now that you know the potential of Tugan AI, you must be wondering how to get started. Well, you're in luck because getting started with Tugan AI is as easy as pie. First things first, head over to Tugan AI. Once you're there, you'll see an option to start your free trial. Yes, you heard that right, a free trial. This means you can test out the waters before you dive in headfirst. During your free trial, you'll have access to all the features that Tugan AI has to offer. This includes the ability to generate emails, blog posts, and social media posts, all tailored to your specific audience and goal. So, how can you make the most of your free trial? Start by identifying your needs. Are you looking to start a digital agency, a content creation service, or manage social media platforms? Once you've identified your goal, it's time to put Tugan AI to work. Enter a URL or a few keywords related to your topic, and let Tugan AI do the rest. It will generate a variety of marketing materials that are relevant, engaging, and persuasive. Remember, the key here is experimentation. Don't be afraid to try different keywords or subjects. The more you experiment, the better you'll understand how Tugan AI works, and the more effective your marketing efforts will be. Once your free trial is over, you can choose to upgrade to a paid plan. But by then, you'll already have a taste of the power of Tugan AI, and the decision to continue will be a no-brainer. Keep in mind that Tugan AI is not just a tool, it's a partner in your journey towards financial freedom. It's here to help you unlock your $5,000 per month earning potential and beyond. So, are you ready to unlock your $5,000/month earning potential with Tugan AI? With Tugan AI, the possibilities are endless. We've explored how this groundbreaking tool can enable you to start not just one, but 3 businesses from day one. Imagine owning your own digital agency, delivering top-notch content creation services, and offering social media management, all powered by Tugan AI. Remember, this AI tool is not just about generating marketing content. It's about understanding your topic and creating text that is relevant, engaging, and persuasive. From emails to blog posts to social media updates, Tugan AI is your all-in-one solution. And the best part? You don't need a huge investment to get started. With a free trial available, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So why not dive in and explore the potential that Tugan AI has to offer? Don't wait. Start your journey with Tugan AI today and unlock your earning potential.